Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking level and setting the parking brake. This prevents movement while you work. Once done, sit in the driver's seat and turn the key or push the button to accessory mode. Do not start the engine, because the car's electronic modules must be powered but the engine off. You want the instrument panel active so the maintenance menu can be accessed. Make sure the display is on the trip computer screen. This is where you'll command the oil change reset procedure next. You now use the steering wheel arrow and OK buttons to navigate. Press the left/right arrows to reach settings or vehicle info depending on model year. Once in the menu, scroll to Maintenance, then choose Oil Life or Oil Reset. This is the critical middle step because it writes the new interval to the car's computer. When prompted, press and hold OK or Reset until the display confirms the reset. This long press ensures the system records your action rather than accidentally toggling a different setting. After completing the reset, you should verify the display shows 100% oil life or a clear confirmation message. This proves the ECM accepted the command. Make sure to turn the ignition off and then start the engine to confirm the service reminder is gone. If the reset doesn't stick, try the common troubleshooting step of repeating the sequence with a firmly held OK. If that still fails, a temporary battery disconnect or a dealer scan tool may clear a stored fault that blocks the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.